welcome back to my channel. So I know I was posting consistently and then I stopped for a little, for a reason that I'm not gonna reveal yet, but I will reveal soon. But back to regular schedule programming. You guys really liked that style I did with the micro braids, the clip-ins in the back. So I have another video for you guys. Same style, different texture clip-ins, and just slightly bigger braids in the front. This, like, finding this out, I don't think I will ever go back to doing my braids like regular again, like a whole head of braids, especially because I like to change my hair up so much. And now I have a faster alternative that takes like an hour or two, so I don't think I'll be going back. But with that being said, I got this hair from Curlsqueen. And guys, the texture, I honestly want to do a whole head of this, like even without the braids, just like a full head of this like yaki straight hair. Like it's so soft, it takes curls amazing, because sometimes like when you get like certain straight hair, it could be like really limp, it might not take curls too good, but this one took curls really, really well. With that being said, let's get right into this video, this tutorial, and yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, let me know your thoughts, and you guys just need to give this style a try.
Okay, as I stated previously, the hair is from Curlsqueen. It's Yaki Straight in 20 inches. It also came with this really cute care package. It has extra clips, a brush, and a little bonnet. Appreciate that. So I'm just going to use regular braiding hair for the front. So my hair's already washed, blow dried, and ready to go. So I'm going to first start by braiding down the back where I plan to put my clip-ins on top of, and then I just have the front part separated, so I'll go and do my braids last, but I just want to get the braid down done in the back so I can just get that hair out of the way. So then I grab my crochet needle to tuck away the end of the hair. So they're like just, you know, away and not in the way. Why does the back of my neck look like that? Oh my God. So I'm going to keep the first part, well, this first braid, I slow down the video, but when I do the rest, I'll speed it up. But just so you guys can see how to feed in the hair to do a knotless braid. I mean, I have tons of videos on this, but still, it's okay to always have like, you know, a little bit of a refresher. Also, you don't have to do knotless. You can do knot in if you want to. I just prefer knotless because, you know, it's not tight, looks a lot more like flat, seamless. I'm just like a knotless braid lover, all in all. So I'd say it honestly took me probably about an hour and a half to braid the front of my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and just trim away the excess. So now I'm just going to brush out the clip-ins and go ahead and start installing that. It's pretty simple. I just go around my whole head. Yeah, so I'm just going to do one for you guys and then I'll show you the finished installation product. So this is it, not even straight and blow dried or anything, just right when you install it, and it looks really, really good. Alright, so now I have my makeup done, so I'm gonna go ahead and start adding some curls to the back because I want to show you guys how well this hair takes curls as well. So just playing around with it straight, but yeah, you're gonna brush it out first and then grab your curling wand. I put it at the highest setting. And I'm also just gonna like separate the front as well, put it in a little bun so it's out of the way. I swear it's always so difficult to curl your hair like on camera. Like I had so much space on the wand. I don't know why I had it all the way at the end. Like that was just so like stupid of me, but it's okay because you can still go back and just like fix the ends of the hair and it all looks really good still. But guys, this right here smells amazing. So I'm just gonna rub some of that through and separate the curls because I don't want them like really chunky and together. I want it more like a wave type of beachy look. Just gonna fix the top knot bun. Another hack too, if you wanted to keep the back curly, you can perm rod the ends of this hair, but because I'm not always going to keep it curly, I didn't want to perm rod it because once you perm rod the ends, you can't really go back to having it straight. So I'd rather just keep it straight and just play around with the styles like I'm doing right now. The quality of this hair though overall was really, really amazing. I am not gonna lie, like it didn't get tangled at all. It takes heat well. It's just really, really good hair.
Alright guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I tried to keep it very slow, very detailed, so you guys can like really see what I was doing. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video and I look forward to making more hair content for you guys to teach you how to do your own hair and save your claims, baby. Bye guys.